Hey guys, it's Joe. Today I'm going to be doing a review on some ICR 10440 AAA size 3.7 volt 350 milliamp batteries, lithium ion. Got these from Amazon. Not a lot of choices on Amazon, but these are currently Amazon's choice. So I got these 6 batteries for $15, and I'll put the links below. But what I'm going to do is I actually just bought this XTAR charger. It doesn't tell you exactly how many milliamps are in each battery, but it will charge it to the max, and it'll tell you how many milliamps are being put in each battery. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to charge these to the fullest, and I believe I've already charged them, but just to show you guys, I'm going to charge them to the fullest. That they can get, and then I'm going to discharge them using a flashlight that I own. And actually, when I first got these, I already put them on a charger to see if they needed any more charging. This actually tells you how many volts are in each batteries. Right now they're at 4.2. So I've actually charged all of these batteries once already to the fullest extent. I didn't use the batteries at all. What I'm trying to show now is that they're fully charged. I'm sure they'll click green shortly. But once I fully charge them, like this one's fully charged, I'll put them in a flashlight. One of my old ultrafires, and I'm just going to let it run until it goes out of batteries. And then once it goes out of batteries, I'm going to charge the battery up again, and I'm going to see how long or how many milliamps is able to be put back into a battery, and that'll tell you how many milliamps these cells are holding. So that would be my review, and let you know whether or not it's actually 350 milliamps and how well they last. Of course, this is my initial stance on these products, but as I have them for another 6 months or so, and I've used them many times, I'll put back another review saying, hey, these batteries are charging fine. They're getting an average of about 300 milliamps hopefully, and I will let you guys know whether or not it's worth buying. But right now it's Amazon's choice. There's only like 30 reviews on the product itself right now online. And hopefully this will help you guys make a decision of whether or not you guys want to purchase this through Amazon. Amazon doesn't have many options. They do have a few options, but this wasn't the cheapest, and this wasn't the most expensive. It's kind of in between, and it is an Amazon choice, so I decided to give it a chance. And it's the PKCELL. It's what it's under. Again, I'll put the link under the video description, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. But let's go ahead and proceed with this test. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one out right now since it's already fully charged. And what I'm gonna do is put it and actually purchase these guys, these storage guys, and this will convert it to a AA, a AAA to a AA, and it'll allow me to use it on my ultrafire. Actually, this is the wrong ultrafire. My other ultrafire, and I've had these for years and years. I take them saltwater fishing all the time. They're not in the best shape. I drop them all the time, splash water all over them. I really don't care much about them. I just throw them anywhere, and they have lasted great. Super bright lights. The one thing I love about these lights is it has a zoom option, so you can zoom in, especially when you're out fishing at nighttime and you want that zoom option, so you can, if you're on a bridge or a pier and you want to zoom in on what you're looking at. It's a super bright light, super awesome light. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this on and just let it run until the battery dies out, and I'm going to put it on the low mode, and I'm going to see if it has any more juice in it. Let it run some more. These are already done, and then I'm going to charge it to the fullest extent, and then I am going to let you guys know how many milliamps are actually being able to be stored. And if the charge is consistent, because I would like to do it more than one time. And then hopefully that'll give you guys enough information whether or not it's worth purchasing or not. They do look good. They feel nice and heavy for their size. Normally, you know, you buy the cheap cells, they're super light, and when they're super light, you know that there's not really much in it. But these look and feel great. But we'll see after I charge them and use them, and I'll let you guys know. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, this is Joe. Just wanted to document what I was doing, or show you guys what I'm doing. So I have the 2 lights on right now. I actually put the 2 batteries in there. They got fully charged, and just to show you they're fully charged, these 4 batteries are also done. I'm going to do the same for all 4 batteries. I know this is burning out my light, but these things are so cheap, and I love them. And that's the only thing I got to really drain out the entire battery. So I'm going to use those, and then if they burn out, which I don't think they will. I've used these things for years. If they were to burn out, probably because of being used a lot. But either way, that's what I'm doing. I have the 2 lights on. I'm going to let it basically run until it drains all out. And then just to show you guys that everything is fully charged, that's the process. And again, these are the ICR 10440 AAA size 3.7 volt 350 milliamp hours lithium ion batteries. And I got these from Amazon, and it is currently Amazon's choice. So I just want to do a review to show you guys what I thought and what I came up with. I'm going to charge them with this. Actually, I'm charging them with this X-Star VC4, which I also just recently purchased and did a review on. So if you guys want to look up that product, that's also apparently a really good charger. Again, I just started using it, and I like it so far. But as of how long it's going to last, and I mean, that's really it. It does a great job doing everything, but how long it really lasts is really what we're aiming for. It is comparable to the Nightcore D4, I believe that's what it's called. But either way, it's not about this. It's about the batteries. Once I get everything, these things die out, I'll redo them, and I'll update you guys on the video. I've had it up for about 10-15 minutes now, so batteries are lasting pretty good bit for AAAs. Generally, you put a AA in here, but I have them fitted in one of these so that this light will actually drain it faster than the light that I intended using it with, which is the stream light. And I'm going to have a review on this product also. Either way, thank you guys for watching. I'll keep you guys updated on what I find out and how many milliamps are being drained out of these batteries when I charge them the next time, and then I'll do it another time just to let you guys know whether or not those milliamps are being sustained in these batteries. If they're actually go from 300 to 275 to 250 to if it keeps on getting less and less and less, or if it's pretty consistent, 300 or 295, a couple milliamps losing every now and then is perfectly fine. I think it's perfectly normal. I don't think they're meant to last forever, but we'll see whether or not it holds this charge and what I think. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll help you guys later whenever the light goes down and we need to change out the batteries and recharge them or anything like that. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one. Hey guys, it's Joe. I'm back. So the lights have gone out, and there's not much juice left in them. But these lights are for flashlights are for AA batteries. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out these batteries and see if I can drain them just a little bit more. The other ones have charged already. These right here have already been charged. So I'm going to put these in there and let those run. But I'm going to put them in my little flashlight, my stream light, to make sure that there's absolutely no more juice in these. I'm thinking this one probably needs less juice than the AA ones, or the 14500s. Yeah, you can see it. That one won't come on either. Alright. So it's dead. Alright, it's good. So these batteries, these 2 right here, are completely dead. I'm thinking, let me check the other one also. Yeah, that's done for. And I'm going to put them in the charger and see how many milliamps these things will hold before my charger stops charging it, which should be at 4.2 volts. Put these back together. So I want to throw my charger on first of all. And the ones on the sides are the 1 amp chargers. So I'm going to throw them on there. Let's see what it does. So this one over here is not even reading that there is any more juice in here. So what I'm going to do is let it sit there for a minute. Move it up. Move it around. It's not even picking it up. So let me try one of the other banks. See what it says on that one. So that one's picking it up. And it's giving it a couple. Alright. So it's 0 volts in there. Now this one's charging. Not sure why it didn't pick up on the second one. So what I want to do is I want to stick it over there. And see if I can get it charging on this one. There you go. Picked it up. Not sure what happened there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this 2 more batteries into these flashlights and just let them run like I did before. I pretty much know that once they're done in these flashlights, they are done for as of having any kind of juice left in them, putting in the wrong way. So that means I won't have to throw them in my stream light to burn them totally dead. Save some time. And I'm going to put these batteries in. And you can see these pretty bright. I'm excited to see how many milliamps is going to come out of these batteries. Hopefully it's somewhere close to 350 like they say. But we'll see. Alright, got those running. And we will come back once everything dies and once this all charges back up. I'll let you know what the numbers are for the first set of batteries and we'll go from there. See you later. Hey guys, it's Joe. So I'm back and the batteries that I first put in there are now fully charged. And it's actually some pretty impressive results. These are 350 milliamp batteries is what they were stated they were. But at the charge right now, it is saying that they charged up to 359 for both batteries. So that's pretty awesome. Knowing that the number of milliamps, which says 350 on here, is more than what is on the package. And that's the first time I've actually ever seen that happen. So that's pretty good. The other batteries, actually one is out. And the other one's still actually kicking, which is pretty impressive still. But as soon as both of these run out, I'm going to put both of those back in here. And I am going to see how long it takes or how many milliamps it takes to charge up these 2 batteries when they're dead. And now I'm going to run these two, whenever these 2 die out, and then I'm going to do the same test for these to see how many milliamps total would charge up all of these batteries full. So right now these first two are 359 milliamps each, which is pretty awesome. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and take this out. And my lights were getting hot. The XTAR charger was not getting hot, but just because I wanted to cool down my lights a little bit. I put the fan on it, and since it's blowing out air, I just went ahead and blew it this way so that everything's, not overheating. But 359 milliamps. So far, these PKCELL batteries from Amazon are holding up to what they say, and we'll see how the next 4 batteries perform, and I'll let you guys know of the results once I'm done. Alright guys, see you later. Alright guys, so the batteries have died out. There's not much light coming out. Actually, no more light coming out. Get a little flicker right here, but it pretty much just dies right out, so there's no more. And it's time for me to charge up these batteries, so I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. And I'm just going to keep them in. Actually, I'm going to take them off because the connection is a little bit deeper right here. Alright, see how many milliamps these have. Again, they're rated at 350. And these are the PKCELL from Amazon. So let's see how well this one charges. So that one did have 0 volts. That one also had 0 volts, and they're both charging now. Let's see how many milliamps we can get pumped into this. Alright guys, go ahead and put in the other batteries. I put them on low so they don't get too hot. They've been getting really hot, so I've been putting the fan on them to keep them cool. Alright, so both are on. I'm going to turn the fan on, and I'll let you know what milliamps gets pumped into these batteries. Alright guys, see you next vid. Alright guys, so the last set of batteries are dead. That's not going to last very long. You see it right now, but I guarantee it's going to go out in like any second now. I've been turning them on and off for the past minute or so, and once it starts blinking like that, it pretty much just goes away. So that's it. Get a little bit more juice on the end. I'm going to go ahead and take them out and put them on the charger. And we will see how many milliamps these blue ones have. Alright, so they're both showing pretty much 0 voltage. And we'll see whether or not they are going to get at least 350 milliamps, just like the Force 4 did. I think we're going to get good results since these 4 had at least 350 on them, so I'm assuming these are probably also. And that's basically what I wanted to check to see whether or not they are what they say they are. And I'll let you know what the results are once these are fully charged. Alright guys, see you in a little bit. Hey guys, so the batteries are fully charged, and it shows that they are over 350. One's at 353 and the other one's at 356. That is a good sign. Shows that I paid for what I got and what was put on the website, which is 350 milliamps. So I can honestly say these batteries are the milliamps that they said that they were going to be on Amazon. And there are what you buy. You know, sometimes you buy these batteries that say 2300 milliamps, and they're not the full 2300 milliamps. Like this battery, I bought a long time ago, and there was no way that it was 2300 milliamps, because I would charge them and then I would use them and they would die so fast. So that these GTLs, I don't think I would be able to recommend. I mean, they worked, but they didn't have the power amps that is stated on there. You know, a lot of them have like 5,000, or you know, those are just bogus. But these PKCELL batteries from Amazon, they're rated at 350 milliamps, and they do have the 350 milliamps as they state. So I can definitely say I'll recommend them. I'm gonna have some more batteries coming in. I think they're Ultra Fires, super cheap batteries. I think they were like $1 a piece. I want to do a review on those also. But I'll go ahead and post a video, my video on these batteries getting charged up, and you know, showing how many milliamps they actually hold. And I'll let you guys make a decision if you guys want to purchase them. All right. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate it. Have a good one.